We've had an irksome problem on a row of lights. Randomly, one of them has been flickering. This often happens in DMX when the network's been pulled down by a fault. So we investigated, and what we found was that one of the lights has been terminated somewhat generously at the end, and the cable has been chaffed right at the back, right in the vicinity of the screen wires, and they were effectively shorting out and taking down one leg of the DMX network. So I'm about to re-terminate this completely fresh so that it can be used again. This looks better, so I'm going to put a bit of tape around here. I'm going to push the sleeves down over the connectors, and that will be that light back in service and not taking down the network again. So just before I put that light away, I was thinking, let's check the other end of the cable, and there's a bit of tape sticking out. It turns out that someone had been over generous in their stripping of the cable here, which probably made soldering the connector much easier. But wrapping a bit of tape where the end is sticking out of the end of the connector is not really how it's done. So I think I'll re-terminate this too, and that will get this light properly fixed. And now that's fixed, it's just a case of waiting backstage during the running of the show, because we can't really do anything while the actual show's running because we can't work above people's heads. And also, if we've done our job properly, all we have to do is basically just await for anything urgent arising that we need to go out and fix. So if we've done our job properly, we sit here and we drink tea and play about with technical stuff and indeed make videos. Oh, thanks Phil for this, by the way. That was actually very useful in the end.